ABT Sportsline, renowned for its high-performance upgrades, has unveiled its latest creation, the Audi RS7-S. This formidable machine transforms the already impressive Audi RS7 into a 710 horsepower beast capable of challenging the most elite supercars. Blending luxury with staggering performance, the RS7S embodies the perfect synergy of business-class sophistication and motorsport prowess. At the heart of the Audi RS7S lies a heavily tuned version of the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. ABT Sportsline has expertly enhanced the powerplant to deliver an astonishing 710 horsepower and 667 lb-ft of torque. This significant increase from the standard RS7's 591 horsepower ensures that the RS7S is not just fast, it's blisteringly quick. The upgraded engine allows the RS7S to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, putting it in the same league as many supercars. ABT's modifications go beyond mere engine tuning. The RS7S features a bespoke ABT intercooler, optimized for enhanced cooling efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining performance during intense driving sessions. Additionally, the vehicle's exhaust system has been upgraded to an ABT stainless steel setup, which not only improves exhaust flow but also delivers a more aggressive and exhilarating soundtrack. To ensure that the RS7S handles as well as it accelerates, ABT has fitted the car with its height-adjustable suspension system. This setup allows for precise control over the vehicle's ride height and stiffness, providing an optimal balance between comfort and performance. Whether cruising on the highway or carving through twisty roads, the RS7S offers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. The exterior of the Audi RS7S is a masterclass in subtle aggression. ABT Sportsline has equipped the car with a range of aerodynamic enhancements, including a front lip spoiler, side skirts, and a rear diffuser, all crafted from lightweight carbon fiber. These additions not only improve the vehicle's aerodynamics but also give it a more commanding presence on the road. The RS7S rides on ABT's signature 22-inch high-performance wheels, finished in a sleek matte black. These wheels are not just for show, they are designed to reduce unsprung weight, thereby improving handling and braking performance. Complementing the wheels are high-performance tires that ensure maximum grip and stability. Even at high speeds, inside, the RS7S retains the luxurious ambience of the standard RS7 but adds unique touches that set it apart. ABT Sportsline offers custom upholstery options, featuring premium leather and Alcantara with distinctive ABT branding. The interior is also adorned with carbon fiber accents, reinforcing the car's sporty character. Technology and connectivity are at the forefront, with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that includes navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium audio system. These features ensure that occupants enjoy a comfortable and connected experience, whether on a daily commute or a spirited drive. The ABT Audi RS7S is aptly described as a business suit ready to tackle supercars. It seamlessly blends the practicality and luxury of a high-end sedan with the raw power and performance of a supercar. This unique combination makes the RS7S an ideal choice for enthusiasts who desire a vehicle that can deliver exhilarating performance without compromising on everyday usability. ABT Sportsline's transformation of the Audi RS7 into the RS7S is a testament to the tuner's expertise and dedication to performance excellence. With 710 horsepower, a suite of engineering enhancements, and a refined yet aggressive design, the RS7S stands out as a formidable contender in the high-performance segment. It offers a compelling proposition for those who seek the ultimate driving experience wrapped in an elegant, business-class package.